In today's video, we are going to show you how to integrate Edpuzzle with Google Classroom so you can easily sync your classes, assign videos, and track student progress all in one place. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account and click your profile icon, which can be found on the top right corner. Here, I want you to click the School tab and then scroll down until you find the LTI integrations. Okay? Now, if you can't find the Google Classroom in the LTI integrations, it's okay because another way that you can integrate Edpuzzle to Google Classroom is by going to My Content and then select a specific video. And then there is an arrow at the top corner where you can click the Assign button. If you're still following, I want you to click the Create Class. Okay? Because here, there is an option for you to click the Google Classroom. What will happen is it would ask you to connect your profile. Alright? Right here. So we will be forwarded to our Edpuzzle account. As you can see, there is an option here that says Sign in with Google, which will integrate Google Classroom to Edpuzzle. So I am going to do that right now. And once you've done that, you have connected your account here in Edpuzzle. So I am going back to the steps earlier, which is going to be assigning a specific video to a classroom, which is this one. Click the Create Class, click Google Classroom. Now here, all I have to do is select the classroom that you wanted. You need to choose the grade level, for example, higher education, and select the subject. For now, I'm going to choose this and click the Import Classes. By doing this, you have a successfully integrated Edpuzzle to your Google Classroom. Now, you can check on your Google Classroom to make sure that you have a successfully integrated Edpuzzle with Google Classroom. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.